Good morning, students. Today is your maths exam, so we have to revise the portion. Chapter 1, a set language fully. We are having that exercise 1.1 to 1.7. I thought 1.1 to 1.6, 1.7 is the objective type questions. You have the answer in book back. So revise that 1.7. In that exercise only I asked the 1 marks. Pattern for your exam. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. 6 1 mark. They asked 6 into 1 is 6. Roman letter 2. It is a 2 mark question. You should answer 7 question. 7 into 2 is 14. Roman letter 3. It is a 5 mark questions. You should answer 6 questions. So 6 into 5 is 30. So total marks is 50. In this chapter, first we will see the formulas. What are the formulas we are using in this chapter? Commutative property. What is the formula for commutative property is, here they are using two sets. Two sets name is A and B. The formula is A union B is equal to B union A. And second one, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. This is commutative property. Next property is associative property. Here they are using three sets. The name of the set is A, B, C. Formula is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. When you see this formula, here they are using the bracket as B and C. And RHS they are using the bracket as A and B. Second one, intersection. Instead of union, here they are using as intersection. A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Third one, a distributive property. Here also they are using the three set. Name is A, B, C. A intersection B union C is equal to, here they are multiplying this one. A intersection B union A intersection C. This name of this one is intersection over union. Second formula, A union B intersection C is equal to, multiply this one, A union B intersection A union C. Name of this one is union over intersection. Next formula is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is, we are using two formulas. That is De Morgan's laws for set difference. And next one is De Morgan's laws for complementation. What is set difference? You see that one. A difference B union C is equal to, the same way you multiply A difference B. Here union they given, no. The reverse you should take. Intersection. Intersection A difference C. Once again repeat. A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection A difference C. Second one, A difference B intersection C is equal to, here also you multiply, A difference B, in LHS side intersection comes, in RHS side it will come union. So, union A difference C. A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union A difference C. Next we will see that De Morgan's laws for complementation. A union B, the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Second one, A intersection B, the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Next we will see the formula is symmetric difference of sets. A symmetric B. This name of the symbol is symmetric. A symmetric B is equal to A difference B union B difference A. Application on cardinality of sets. N means number of element in A union B. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Next one is n of A intersection B. Here they ask. That means in the last it will come union. N of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. N of A difference B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. N of B difference A is equal to n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A complement or A dash is equal to n of U universal set n of U minus n of A. N of B complement is equal to n of U minus n of B. In this chapter we mostly studied about union, intersection and difference of two set. I am taken that name of set as A difference B. And next one we studied the complement, that is A complement. What is union? Union means join together and write the element as 1 times. Intersection means for both the set, what is the common element? That one we should write it. That is intersection. Difference, if you are finding for two set A and B, means first cancel the common element and remaining element present in that first set. Here first set is A, no? So you should see that remaining element present in that A set. That is that answer for difference of two set. Suppose B difference A, the same way. Cancel the common element. So remaining element present in that first set. Here first set is B. So we should select that B set. That is the difference of two set. Complement. Complement means you always subtract with universal set. U minus A. Whatever the question they given. B complement is given means U difference B. You know how to subtract. That is now I told, no, this method we have to use here. For example, here they ask A intersection B, the whole complement they ask means how will you do? U difference A intersection B. First you should find A intersection B, then you should subtract with universal set, that is A intersection B, the whole complement. Let's see some example. Here A set, this one is B set. For both we are taking A union B. This is A set I am written, B set. Join together and write that element 2. Next set is 5, 6, 10, 14, 16. So you write the element as 1 times. That is union. Intersection. A set I am written, B set. Select the common element. Common element for both the set is 2 and 14. You should circle with pencil and write that answer as 2, 14. And next one is A difference B. Now I told that no, that is A set, B set. Cancel the common element. So remaining element present in that first set is, what is that answer? It is 6, 10. So our answer is 6, 10. Next one B difference A. Same way. Cancel the common element. Remaining element present in that first set 5, 16. How to find that A complement? I told that U difference A. You write that U difference A. U set, I am written, different A set. Cancel the common element. Remaining element present in that first set is 0, 2, 4, 6. In exercise 1.2, 9th question. Find the number of subset and the number of proper subset of the following set. The first one, W is equal to red, blue, yellow. Solution. That question I am written, W is equal to red, blue, yellow. First I am finding number of element present in that set. So n of name of the set W is equal to how many element? 1, 2, 3. So I am written 3. Our question is find number of subset and number of proper subset. For that we are having that formula, number of subset is equal to 2 power m. 2 power m is equal to 2 power m means a number of element, that is 3. So I am written that one 3. 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Next, a number of proper subset. Number of proper subset is you always reduce with 1 in subset. That is answer is 7. So here that answer I am written, that is 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 power 3 is 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 10th question. If n of a is equal to 4, find n of p of a. So n of a is equal to 4. N of p of a is equal to 2 power that number of element, that is 4. 2 power 4 is 4 times 2 you should multiply. Answer is 16. Second question. If n of a is equal to 0, find n of p of a. The same question. So n of a is equal to 0. So is equal to n of p of a is equal to 2 power 0. Number of element is 0. So 2 power 0. Anything power 0 is value is 1. Third question. If n of p of a is equal to 256, find n of a. So n of p of a is equal to 256. Here we should simplify in that rough column. 256. 2 table you should factorize. You will get 1, 2, 8. Then 2 table it is 64. Next one 2, 32. 2 table 16. 2 table it is 8. 2 table it is 4. 2, 2. Again 2 you will get 1. This one always you should factorize by 2 only, because we are having that formula is 2 power. So how many 2 you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one I am written. 2 power 8 is 256. Our question is number of element present in that a, that is n of a is equal to, already told no, this power it says number of element. So I am written that one as 8. Next exercise 1.3. Fifth question. Find the symmetric difference between the following set. P set they are given 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and Q set is 1, 3, 5, 11. That given us I am written that P set and Q set. What is the formula for symmetric difference? P symmetric Q. Here name of the set is P and Q. So like that you should change the formula. P symmetric Q is equal to P difference Q union Q difference P. First we should find P difference Q is equal to P set difference Q set. Difference means cancel the common element. Common element is 3, 5, 11. Cancelled. So remaining element present in that first set is 2, 7. So P difference Q answer is 2, 7. Next one Q difference P is equal to Q set difference P set. Cancel the common element. Common element is 3, 5, 11 cancelled. So remaining element present in the first set is 1. So Q difference P answer is 1. Now only I am substituting that formula. What is that formula for symmetric difference? P symmetric Q is equal to P difference Q union Q difference P is equal to P symmetric Q is answer is we find that 2 and 7. Union Q symmetric P answer is 1. For both you should take union. Union means join together and write that element. So 1, 2, 7. Our answer is 1, 2, 7. Next we will see that Venn diagram. Verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. We have to verify this both are equal by using Venn diagram. First we should take LHS side. In LHS side, first we should find inside the bracket. Inside the bracket what you are having? B intersection C. So first we should find B intersection C. Here 3 set is there. For that we should draw the 3 circle. A set, B set, C set. First what we are going to find? B intersection C. Give the name as A, B, C. If you are not given the name means we will reduce the mark. So you should give A, B, C. Here I am going to find that B intersection C. Intersection part for B and C is common is this part. So B set, this one is C set. Intersection means commonness. Here this is the common part. So you should shade here. This is B intersection C. Next I am going to find LHS full part A union B intersection C. Here you should draw a 3 circle. A set, B set, C set. Give the name as A, B, C. What we are going to find is A union B intersection C. B intersection C already we find. Union means join together and shade that one. This is A set this one. Already find B intersection. This part you should be shaded. This is LHS side. So you should mark it as 1. Next, I am going to find that RHS side. In RHS side, first we should find inside the bracket. Here, 2 part you are having inside. First, you should find A union B. Then, you should find A union C. After that, for both, you should take intersection. Now, I am going to find A union B. See here, draw the 3 circle. A set, B set and C set. Give the name as A, B, C. What we are going to find? A union B. This is A circle. This one is B circle. Union means both it should be shaded. Next I am going to find A union C. 3 circle you should draw. Give the name as A, B, C. What we are going to find? A union C. A set, C set. Fully it should be shaded because it is union. Next we have to find for both intersection. So draw the 3 circle, give the name as A, B, C. When you take intersection, you will get this one. So this is RHS side answer. So you should mark it as 2. At last you should write the sentence from 1 and 2. It is verified that formula you should be right. If you have not written this formula, we will reduce 1 mark. Exercise 1.6, fourth question. In a class, all students take part in either music or drama or both. 25 students take part in music, 30 students take part in drama, and 8 students take part in both music and drama. Find, here 3 questions they ask. The number of students who take part in only music. Second question, the number of students who take part in only drama. Third question, the total number of students in the class. In this question, they are talking about music and drama. That is 2 set they are talking. So, I drawn the 2 circle. If they are talking about 3 set means you should draw the 3 circle. Here 2 set. So, I drawn the 2 circle. Name of that one is, first circle is music. So, mention that first letter M. And second set is drama. You should mention that D. Here they given us 25 students take part in music. First you should write 25 here. Because this is music circle. So here you should write 25. And next question they given us 30 students take part in drama. Here in the second circle you should write 30. And 8 students take part in both music and drama. Both means this is a common for both the set. In common place you should write 8. So first you should draw the 2 circle. Give the name of the circle. And how much participate in music? 25. In the number of student participated in drama is 30. The common is 8 you should write. Our question is they are asking the number of students who take part in only music and drama and total number of students. So how I am doing is, here common is 8, no, that one I am subtracted here. Minus 8, you will get 17. Here also I am subtracting that one. Minus 8 is equal to 22. Here itself you got that answer. See that one. First one, the number of students who take part in only in music is 17. When you see this picture, you can easily say. So only in music is 17 students. Second question, the number of students who take part in only in drama is 22. So our answer is 22. Third question, the total number of students in the class. Total number of students means you should add this one. What you should add? 17 plus 8 plus 22. What you will get? 47. Therefore, total number of students in that class is 47. At last you write that sentence. The first one, the number of students who take part only in music is 17. The second one, number of students who take part only in drama, 22. Therefore, third question, total number of students in that class, you should add and write 47. Students, for maths exam, you should use a long size unruled paper. In unruled paper, first of all, you should draw the margin. If you have not drawn the margin, teachers won't correct it. So, you should draw the margin. Then, draw the rough column. For maths exam, you should draw the rough column also. Here, see that one. Write the date. Next, first midterm test. Like that, you should write what exam you are writing. Maths. Next, name. Your name should be correctly, you should write neatly. Then class, 9th standard. Section, you should write correctly, section. Next, for choose the correct answer, the first one answer is, suppose your answer is C option is correct, means you should write the C. Then what answer they given in C, you write that answer also. Okay, option name and that answer. Okay. Students, before writing the test, get the signature from your parents. Here you should get signature from your parents. Write the test in front of your parents and write it faithfully. After completing the test, send the report by your name, test completed, in your group. Students, do and practice all the sums in your rough note. Prepare well for your exam. All the best, students. Thank you.